Hey there, good people. Have you ever found yourself waking up in the middle of the night and lying awake for hours, worried that if you don't fall back to sleep soon, you may not get enough sleep to function properly the next day? Middle insomnia is recognized as a sleep disorder where a person wakes up in the middle of the night for no apparent reason, but then falls back asleep. It's the most common form of insomnia, affecting almost 2/3 of people who suffer from this sleep disorder. However, many of these people experiencing interrupted sleep at night may not be suffering from a sleep disorder at all. So exactly what is keeping them up at night? In today's video, we will reveal what this may be and provide tips on how people can embrace middle insomnia-like symptoms in a safe way. Welcome to Nature Provides, the channel where we explore what health resources can be found in nature's pharmacy to fight off the dis-eases afflicting today's modern world. Help us grow, yes. Please help us grow by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell to stay updated on our enlightening journey. We've got a trove of edifying videos lined up. Are you dreaming of ridding yourself of insomnia and getting some good old quality rest? Let's get into how you can make this dream a reality, step by step. But please watch to the end. No sleeping during the video. A growing body of evidence from both science and history suggests that the 8-hour sleep, also known as monophasic sleep, may be unnatural. A biphasic sleep schedule, which includes 2 sleep phases each day, over a 24-hour period, has been gaining steam among sleep experts for being a more natural and effective alternative sleep schedule, particularly for people suffering from middle insomnia or have lifestyles that make them prone to sleep deprivation. If you want to dig deep into the intriguing details about biphasic sleep, please watch our video on the myth of the 8-hour sleep schedule. I'll put the link in the description below. People who embrace a biphasic schedule sleep for one long phase and then take a short nap sometime during the day. Some people do 2 sleep phases that are almost even in length. This sleep schedule has many benefits, including increasing total sleep time for those who are experiencing sleep deprivation, better cognitive abilities, improving physical and mental performance, and increasing productivity. If you are interested in exploring if biphasic sleep is right for you, either because of your specific lifestyle, work schedule, or you are just not feeling fully rested after the conventional 7 to 9 hour sleep schedule, you may be asking how to go about it. Transitioning from a monophasic to a biphasic sleep schedule can be a rewarding journey towards better rest and revitalization, but it requires a thoughtful approach to ensure a smooth and beneficial adjustment. Here are some tips to guide you through this transition safely and effectively. 1. Start slowly. Begin by gradually adjusting your sleep schedule. If you're used to a single 8-hour sleep, consider shortening your night sleep by an hour and incorporating a 20 to 30-minute nap in the afternoon. This helps your body adapt without causing significant disruption to your daily routine. 2. Consistency is key. Try to stick to regular sleep and wake times for both phases of your sleep. Consistency reinforces your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally over time. 3. Create a restful environment. Ensure your sleeping environment is conducive to good sleep. This means a comfortable, quiet, and dark room. Consider using earplugs or a sleep mask if you're easily disturbed. For your daytime nap, find a relaxed setting where you can rest undisturbed. 4. Limit exposure to screens. The blue light from screens can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Limit screen time at least an hour before your planned sleep times. This is crucial for both your nighttime sleep and your afternoon nap. 5. Mind your diet. Pay attention to your eating habits, especially closer to your sleep times. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol before going to bed, as these can disrupt sleep quality. A light snack is fine if you're hungry, but choose something easy to digest. If you like what you're hearing so far, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to help get this message out to others. 6. Listen to your body. Everyone's needs are different. Pay attention to how your body responds to the change. If you find the transition is negatively impacting your health or mood, reconsider your approach or consult with a sleep specialist for personalized advice. 7. Embrace relaxation techniques. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine can help ease the transition. Try practices such as reading, meditation, or deep breathing exercises before your nap and before your nighttime sleep to signal to your body that it's time to rest. 8. Exercise regularly, but not before bed. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep, but try to avoid vigorous exercise close to your bedtime or nap time, as it can be stimulating. Aim to complete any intense workouts at least 3 hours before you plan to sleep. 9. Gradually extend your nap time. As your body becomes accustomed to the new schedule, you can slowly extend your nap time to find the optimal duration that leaves you feeling refreshed without impacting your nighttime sleep. A nap length of 20 to 90 minutes can be ideal, depending on individual needs. 10. Be patient and flexible. It might take some time for your body to adjust to a biphasic sleep pattern. Be patient and allow yourself the flexibility to experiment with different durations of sleep and wakefulness to find what works best for you. Remember, the goal of transitioning to biphasic sleep is to enhance your overall well-being and match your sleep habits more closely with your natural rhythms. By following these tips and listening to your body, you can discover a sleep schedule that leaves you feeling more rested, alert, and vibrant throughout your day. Are you a monophasic or biphasic sleeper? We'd love to hear your sleep stories and discoveries, so please drop us a comment and get the conversation going. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this episode with someone who may find this sleep information useful. Here's to finding your perfect sleep pattern and embracing the joyful life that follows. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, nature provides.